it's Mrs. Labriciosa, your AVID coordinator, here to talk to you about our annual end-of-the-year AVID celebration. Our annual AVID celebration is happening this year on Wednesday, April 11th, from 6:30 to 8 o'clock in the Pikesville High School auditorium. So this is an evening event. It is mandatory for all AVID scholars. The purpose of our event is to celebrate the end of the year. We wanted to make sure that we were able to get this really nice evening before our AVID seniors graduate and leave us. So we're going to celebrate the end of the year. We'll have some guest speakers. We will give out awards. Every AVID scholar will get at least one award. And we'll be giving out over $3,000 in scholarships. And those recipients won't know who they are until that evening. So be sure that you're there. You must be present in order to receive those awards. So here are the details. All AVID scholars must arrive between 6 and 6:15 to the auditorium. Just like for AVID induction, you will have a seat with your name on it. That's where you sit. It's in alphabetical order, and it's grouped by grade level. So if you're like me, you're like, okay, so I'm into it, what do I wear? You're going to wear business attire, so that would be a button-up shirt, a tie would be appropriate, dress shoes, blazers, ladies if you want, or anyone really, if you want to wear a skirt or a dress, that's fine. It should be business, so not too short. Make sure you keep the skin to a minimum. Pikesville High School dress code is in effect, so just keep that in mind as you're picking out your outfits. Every year we do different colors for different grade levels. Our seniors will be in white. Our 11th grade will be in all black. 11th grade, gray or silver, and 9th grade, purple. Try to incorporate those colors as much as you can into your outfit choice, but if you are unable to, please just wear some Pikesville High School gear. So your PHS shirt is fine with a nice pair of pants or skirt. Obviously, during the ceremony, you are showing your best AVID scholarly behavior, so we're not side-talking, we're not on our cell phones, absolutely no headphones or earbuds, that goes without saying. Make sure you're listening to the speaker. Some of them will ask you to do things, so make sure that you're paying attention. And then you're clapping when it's appropriate, because it is a celebration after all. So, like I said earlier, every single student will receive an award, so you will be called to the stage. Make sure you're listening carefully to the MCs for directions for how to enter and exit the stage when your name is called. Every student will go up at least once. AVID Student Government expect to go up twice. And then scholarship recipients, you will be called and you won't know who you are until your name is called, so make sure you're listening carefully. You may bring your parents, your families to this event. It should be over by 8 o'clock if you are looking to schedule a ride home or something like that by 8 o'clock p.m. If you have any questions, you can talk to me in room 135 or you can ask your AVID elective teacher. Again, this event is mandatory, and we really look forward to celebrating with you next Wednesday, April 11th, from 6:30 to 8 o'clock in the auditorium. Thanks.